Hey loves, welcome back to another Sunday reset video. Welcome back to another Sunday vlog. Today is a very slow Sunday for me, and I just want to make my morning so simple and so easy. Normally as I wake up, I'll just spread my bed. This kind of helps get into whatever mood that I'm in. And who doesn't make their bed? Because I have to make my bed. I make my bed, take care of everything that I have to do, and then I'll just get into this slow Sunday. This area in my room is always messy, so I try to clean it like on the weekends. I just take whatever I have on top, I just get rid of them because it's just always messy. We are then gonna go downstairs and we are gonna make breakfast. The kids absolutely love this every single weekend. And it is a must when they don't have school to make some plantain and oatmeal porridge. They just love this so much with some cinnamon crackers. It is so good. This is it, guys. Because I'm having a slow Sunday morning, I just want to make sure I take care of the kids first. So when I go ahead with breakfast, and baby Olivia, she been feeding herself lately, so that's a little less pressure on me. The kids are just doing what they want to do right now until breakfast is ready, and I'm so happy because it's just a slow day for me. And look at that porridge, it is so good. You guys need to try it, okay? Olivia is already ready for breakfast, and I tell you guys, she been doing great feeding herself. Like I said, I'm just gonna give the kids breakfast and make sure they eat and take a shower while I stay back, clean up the kitchen. And I love to wipe my counters off, wash my dishes, wipe the counters off, just to get the kitchen clean, get the morning everything like we didn't wake up. Or just make sure that everything is clean. That's just me, because especially on a day like this that it is so slow and not in the mood, make sure you just get everything done and get it out the way. Clean your kitchen, wash the dishes, because as soon as you sit down, it is over. You don't want to do nothing. So I always ensure when I'm not in the mood, even though I have to do it, I make sure that I clean up right after. However, Amelia was not feeling well. She didn't eat all her breakfast, so I had to make her some noodles, some soup, and she ate this. And I gave her some Gatorade, and she was feeling a little bit better after that. So that is amazing. I'm also gonna clean up because whenever we eat porridge, there's crackers all over the floor, and I like to vacuum as soon as I'm done. By this time, I was doing some laundry and I add just to get them out the way. I typically do baby Olivia's clothes first, and I don't know. It's just easier because she always have less clothes. So I typically just do her clothes first, and then I'll get mine's, and then the kids, or the kids and then mine, because it's a weekend and they have school. So I normally start doing laundry from maybe Friday evening, to be honest, and finish up everything on Sunday morning. Guess what time it is? Time to just take a quick shower, and hopefully this will, kind of tune me in for the rest of the day. Guys, I love to use the loofah to scrub my body. It feels so good. And I'm just taking a shower. There was nothing special about this morning shower. I honestly just, bathe and get out. I was just not in the mood for all that pampering. So I just take me a normal shower, use my loofah to scrub the body, wash off, get out, and get it going. So, guys, after I get out the shower, I brush my teeth for sure. And then I'm just going to get into a simple skincare routine, which I didn't add much. I actually just use the cleanser, spray the toner on my face. I didn't use a pad today, which is a cotton pad, because I didn't have no makeup on the day before. And then I wash my face. I cleansed my face last night, so I just use the toner to spray on my face, and then once that is dry, I add my moisturizer. You always need moisturizer for the day to keep your face hydrated. So make sure you're using your moisturizer. If you just wash your face, it doesn't matter. Just add some moisturizer to your skin. After taking a shower, I got dressed and I just move on to writing down things that I needed to do for the next day and the week, the following week. I had orders to process, which I will be doing later on in the evening, and I figured that writing everything down, everything that I need to, make sure happens in the day or the week, it's so much easier for me, guys, especially having kids to deal with. It is always good to write down things you need to do because we don't have to always remember stuff, and sometimes we don't. Sometimes we just don't remember stuff. So writing stuff down helps us to get our week or our day flows better. That's my opinion. It works for me. I'm pretty sure it will work for someone else. And it just helps. My week is smoother. The day is smoother. I don't have to think in my head, oh my God, what did I have to buy again? What did I have to do again? It just makes everything easier. And I absolutely love doing that. So drink your water, guys. Make sure you're drinking your water. And this part, I'm just checking my phone as usual because I'm relaxing. And that is it for today's video. I hope you guys enjoy watching. And always thanks for being here. Hit that subscribe button. And remember, God is always love. Bye.